Starting EPM version 23.3.1, the Reports, Deprecated submenu was removed from the console. However, all the Reports functionality that was previously available in the Reports Deprecated view is now available in the new Reports section. Let's navigate to the new Reports section. Choose Events from Filter, then click on the Define Events Report tab. As we can see here, all the Reports functionality that was in the Deprecated Reports tab has been moved into this section. After you select the needed event type, name your report, then set the time frame to include in the report. You can also click on All Filters tab to review the filters you want to apply. We have also added a new filter, Platform, to the list. Let's select Windows. Next, click Save for later use or Generate to save it and run it now. The new report is created, and you have the options to generate now, automate, edit, duplicate and change, or to delete. For more information on how to generate deprecated reports in the new Reports tab, visit the CyberArk docs. Starting EPM version 23.3.1, we have added Table View to the Events Management view. You can now select multiple entries from the view for quick and ease of handling. The first time you sort grid columns, they are sorted in ascending order. This is relevant to all columns except the date column, which is sorted in descending order. Once you select multiple entries, you can select whether to add applications to policy, add applications to application group, or delete the selected entries. Select Add Applications to Policy. Now you can either add them to an existing policy or create a new advanced policy. To create a new policy, select Confirm, give your policy a name, and then select the action. Review the definitions added and click on Create. The new policy is created. In the Events Management view, we select Add Applications to Application Group. Here you have the option to select from a predefined application group or create a new one. Select Edit in Application Group. Select Confirm. Confirm the added definitions and save. The discovered definitions are now added to the policy.